Hello friends, welcome to my channel Ivy Endeavors. Today is a special day. On this day, 1 year back, I started my journey of YouTube with my channel Ivy Endeavors. On the completion of 1 year of my channel, I thought that I'll bring a sweet recipe to you that can be made with the ingredients that are easily available at home. It is a chocolate cake with chopped almonds. This is very easy to make and very yummy to taste. I hope you all will love it. Let's get started with the recipe then. So friends, to make this simple yet yummy chocolate cake, here are our ingredients. 4 eggs. The eggs should be at room temperature preferably. Some chopped almonds, a handful. A cup of refined flour or maida. 1/4 cup of good quality cocoa powder. Half teaspoon baking soda. You can use baking powder as well. We are using baking soda. Few drops of vanilla essence. 1 cup of refined oil and 1 cup of sugar. Now let's get started with the recipe. Before starting with preparing the batter, let's preheat our oven. So the oven is in baking mode and let's keep the temperature at 180°C and let's preheat it for 10 minutes. Friends, we will now sieve our refined flour or maida in a bowl. This will help make the cake fluffy. Now we are going to sieve the cocoa powder as well and mix it with the maida. 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder or 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. To this we are adding half a teaspoon of baking soda. And friends, I am also adding a pinch full of salt. This will help enhance the taste of the cake. Now we are going to mix all the dry ingredients thoroughly and keep it aside. Now friends, let's get started with our wet ingredients. First, I am adding the 4 eggs into the bowl. I am now mixing the 4 eggs first, and now I am going to add 3/4 cup of sugar into the mixture. It's totally dependent on your taste. We like it little less sweet, that's why we are adding 3/4 cup. You can see that the sugar crystals have mixed into the egg mixture. At this point we are adding 3/4 cup of refined oil into it. Give it a good stir for another 1-2 minutes. Friends, you can see the mixture. The egg, sugar and the oil has mixed in very well. You can see the smooth mixture. To it we are going to now add few drops of vanilla essence. This will give a very nice aroma and taste to the cake. And now friends, we are going to add our dry ingredients mixture into the wet ingredients mixture part by part. Mix them in slowly. Friends, now we have made a smooth batter. You can see the consistency of the batter. And now we are going to add in our chopped almonds into the mixture. Little bit of it I am going to keep for garnishing at the top, but most of it I am mixing into the batter. Friends, now it is the time to grease our baking pan. For cake of this measurement, we are taking a 10-inch pan. Now we have put 2 tablespoons of refined oil for greasing, which I am going to smear all over the pan and on the sides as well. This will ensure that our cake doesn't get stuck to the pan once it is done. And then we have cut a baking paper as per the shape of the pan, and we are going to put this baking paper at the bottom. Now we are pouring the batter into the pan. You can see the fluid like consistency. This should be the consistency of the batter. Our cake batter has gone into the pan, and you can see some air pockets. If you see any this type of air pockets, just break them with the help of a toothpick. And now we are going to put the remaining chopped almonds on top. Now friends, our cake is ready to go inside the oven. Put it in the middle and then set the timer for 40 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius only. Let the cake be there inside the oven, and then we'll check after 40 minutes. Friends, our 40 minutes are over now, and we'll now check if our cake is done or not. For that, what we are going to do, we are taking this skewer and we will insert it at the center of the cake, and if it comes out without anything, then our cake is done. See, you can see it that it is clear, nothing is stuck to the skewer. That means we can take the cake out of the oven. We have taken the cake out of the oven, but it is super hot at the moment, so we will let it cool for some 5 to 10 minutes and then we will demold it. We have demolded the cake and now we are going to cut it. So this is how it is looking. So friends, this is a slice of our chocolate cake with chopped almonds. You can see how fluffy and spongy it is. Make it during your time indoors at home, and if you liked the recipe, do subscribe to my channel, show some love, like and share the recipe, and tune in for more. Show your love by subscribing to my channel Ivy Endeavors. Bye for today. Stay safe, stay healthy.